Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. React.js is a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces, while Python is a versatile and powerful programming language. Combining these two technologies allows developers to create dynamic and interactive web applications. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of using react.js with Python, focusing on setting up a basic project and establishing communication between the front end and back end. Node.js and npm. Ensure that Node.js and npm, Node Package Manager, are installed on your machine. You can download and install them from https://nodejs.org. Python, make sure you have Python installed. You can download it from https://www.python.org. Open your terminal and run the following commands. This will create a new react.js app and start the development server. Open http://localhost 3000 in your browser to see the default React app. Create a new file called app.py for your Python backend. Install Flask by running. Run your Python backend. Your Flask server will start at http://localhost 5000. Install Axios for making HTTP requests in your React app. Now, let's modify src/app.js to fetch data from the Python backend. Save the changes, and your React app will now fetch data from the Python backend. Ensure both the react.js app, running on port 3000, and the Python Flask backend, running on port 5000, are running simultaneously. Open http://localhost 3000 in your browser to see your React app displaying data from the Python backend. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated react.js with Python. This basic setup can be extended for more complex applications, allowing you to build powerful and interactive web solutions. ChatGPT.